Hey there, I'm Varesh. This is my channel. I just want to introduce this upcoming course that I just started uploading. It's an iOS course for anyone who has no experience in either iOS development, programming, iPhone development, anything. The idea of this course is a little bit different than most tutorials. I've always felt like most of the things I've learned has been through tutorials and just self-taught through websites or articles or Stack Overflow or whatever it might be. I always I didn't like that you would go through a course and essentially it seemed like everything was already predetermined, pre-figured out, which it usually is. You would make the app that you're gonna teach someone how to make once, and then you would always have a reference and already have all the problems and potential mistakes already hashed out before you even get to start recording the tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to do a little bit different. There's going to be parts where I just don't know what to do. I think it's important to see the process of how I problem solve, what resources I use to figure out a problem, and just common downfalls of where you might make a mistake when you're using a table view, or some simple mistakes you might make while parsing a JSON file. So just to introduce the app, we're going to be making a simple weather app. All you need is something that's running Mac OS X, MacBook, iMac, whatever it might be. If you have an iPhone, that'd be cool, so you can test on it. But otherwise, we can use a simulator for most parts of the app. So by the end of it, you're going to basically learn what you need to make each part as you go along. It's not going to be a huge lesson about Swift or every aspect of programming, but we're going to need to make a web call to get the information, so you're going to learn how to do that. We're going to parse JSON, so you're going to learn how to do that. We're going to run on a simulator. We might run on a phone later on, so you're going to learn how to do that. And then you're going to get a small introduction on how you do a little bit of designing of the user interface, connecting buttons and text labels to code, and then very basic concepts. But at the end of it, you have a weather app that you could use personally or spin off and make into a more full-fledged weather app. So most of the videos are 10, 15, maybe max 20 minutes long. Should be probably almost done with it. I'm halfway done with it at the beginning, at the recording of this video. And yeah, just follow along. I'll answer any questions if you have comments, and then eventually what I want to do is possibly get a Twitch stream going, so then I could do some live coding sessions for iOS development and some Q&A live while I make something. So I hope you enjoy the videos. Either way, leave a comment, subscribe if you like what's going on. I'm going to plan on doing this more and more with more and more complex apps, and then maybe do a deeper dive into Swift in general and just programming rather than specific code stuff. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you in the videos.